In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to draft a face in Fusion 360 to give your parts professional casting or molding angles. Learning how to properly apply a draft is a fundamental skill for anyone getting into mechanical design or product manufacturing, as it allows parts to be easily removed from molds. If you have ever struggled with straight vertical walls in your 3D models, this technique is going to be a game changer for your workflow. This process is surprisingly straightforward once you understand how the neutral plane and the draft faces interact with each other. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to add precise tapers to any solid body with just a few clicks. If this video helps you master your CAD designs, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest Fusion 360 tips. All right, let's dive straight into the software and get started. To begin, we need a solid body to work with. For the sake of this demonstration, let's go ahead and create a simple geometric shape. I will navigate to the Create menu and select the Box tool. I will pick the ground plane and drag out a rectangle, then pull it up to give it some height. You could also do this with a cylinder if you prefer, but a box makes it very easy to see the angle changes we are about to apply. Once you have your solid body ready on the canvas, we can move on to the actual drafting process. Head over to the top toolbar and look for the Modify menu. Click on it to open the drop-down and locate the Draft tool. You can also find this in the shortcuts if you use them frequently. Once the draft dialog box opens on the right side of your screen, the first thing Fusion 360 will ask for is the pull direction, or the neutral plane. This is the face that will remain fixed and serve as the pivot point for the taper. Select the top face of your box or cylinder. You will see a small arrow appear indicating the direction of the pull. Next, we need to select the faces that we actually want to taper. Click on the Select button next to Faces in the dialog box, and then click on the vertical side faces of your object. You can select one face or multiple faces depending on what your design requires. Now it is time to set the draft angle. You will see a slider or a numerical input field. For this example, let's enter a value of 5 degrees. As you type that in, you'll notice the side faces immediately tilt either inward or outward based on the direction. You can use the flip pull direction icon if the taper is going the wrong way. Double check that the shape looks exactly how you intended. If you are happy with the preview, go ahead and click OK in the dialog box. Fusion 360 will process the command and tilt the selected faces to create that perfect draft angle. Your part now has a professional taper that is ready for manufacturing. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to draft a face in Fusion 360 using the neutral plane method. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more in-depth engineering tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.